Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple HTML editor with the help of your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So first of all, I will go to my toolbox and I will search for a rich text box and I will drag and drop into my form and I will resize it. And second thing I'm going to need is a web browser tool. So this also I will drag and drop into my form. And one more thing I'm going to need is a button. So this button text I will change it as submit code, for example. Okay, now I will double click this button and in here I will write the name of my web browser, which is web browser 1 dot document text is equal to rich text box 1, which is the name of my rich text box dot text. Okay, now when I run the program and when I write some HTML code here in this rich text box area, for example, I will give a simple HTML code for the header and the paragraph, and when I click the submit button, it will execute this code and show it in the form of the result. So whatever result you this HTML code will give, it will show it in this web browser area. One more example, for example, I will give you. So for example, I want to show the table in this uh, HTML. I want to write a code for the table and I want to see the table uh, in this browser. So I will just paste the code for the table and I will submit my code and it gives me the table as a result. So in this way you can make your own simple HTML editor and you can see the result of your HTML code in this web browser. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.